that's it. I'm waiting with my mama. Mukbang food po tayo. Eating limasa.
I was afraid you'd be biased against him.
Suddenly, I realized
Kamay po tayo. Masarap magkamay.
this necklace exactly like Lucy's.
Wow.
Wait, why do you have Javier's phone?
We arrived
Ay, ang
at the
galing
store
kay
at
Ganda
the
pa.
same time, and the freezer was empty, and so was the cash register. This is what happens when you hire a criminal.
Javier is a good person who made a mistake and served time for it. He wouldn't do this.
The police quickly found Amor. He was sentenced to life in prison because of his previous charge. There is no such thing as an ex-criminal. But Lucy watched the store's surveillance footage.
Let's eat po. Kain
He
po.
wasn't robbing us. He was trying to stop a real thief.
Nakilala ka na ng Paris ang nag- Yeah?
Sir, how did you end up in the freezer? I was sure Javier would betray me. But it's my fault. I locked myself in there accidentally.
Ha?
Mga mukha ng mga pamilya. Hindi maganda.
Because of my
Ibang
jealousy,
lahi ba niya?
I
Ano siya,
had
guwapo?
seen things
Siya
clearly.
lang okay lang. Pero sa pamilya
Please
niya,
forgive me. Now I understand that jealousy is a
Ano ka na picture sa
disease
kanila pambili?
that
Meron,
destroys
nabilit ko
not
na nga
only
eh.
relationships, but human lives too.
Mali mo, ginamit lang yung ganun love technique. Kaya rin kapatid.
Bakit magkapatid ba tayo sila?
I started attending wood meditation
Pero dito
classes to
kinakain
find
yan.
a
Itabi mo
husband.
dyan, oh.
The femininity coach told me to relax. Hi, my name is
nagsisisor at
Cassandra,
ngumipin pa kung masisira.
Before I tell you,
Maka-break ka dito.
Yeah, I have braces. That's why.
Break talaga, bracket. Magkano monthly mo dyan?
Mura lang.
hated
Wala
my
sa
dad
korte.
because he was a filthy rich oil tycoon. One time, I
Wala sa
just reached
korte.
school with my dad when some angry protesters surrounded our car. The rich are too rich. More money to the people. I was quite scared, and Dad looked freaked out as the
Pwede
driver.
natin yan.
My boyfriend.
Ito po ang gating.
Sis, what's wrong? I'm so devastated. Iniwalay lang ni Apple. Talaga? Oh my God. You must be so sad. Come here. It's okay. You can walk, right? How can I? Ang sakit-sakit. Alam mo yun, I'm dying inside. Hindi mo nakita. Hindi eh. Actually, okay lang yan. Isa naman sa forever apingin ng tita mo yung kuya ko, diba? Walang kasalanan yung tita ko, okay? Nagbenta-benta pa siya ng alahas. Tapos, FYI ulit, hindi yung nanay ko yung nagloko sa tita ko. Tita ko lang din. Still, relative mo pa rin. Okay, sagot niyo pa rin yun. Alam mo, hindi naman lalaki talaga itong problema na to. Kung sana nito alahas, wala lang pala siyang pera. Okay, let's go. Eh, hindi yung mayaman. Ang sama naman pala ng ugali mo. Buti na lang hindi pala yan kuya. Ang plastic mo rin pala. Mayakap-yakap. Tapos masaya ka pala naghiwalay kami. Oo, masaya talaga ako. Sa sobrang
Mahaba pong eating namin. See you soon. Bye.